Cool. In this video, I would like to take you through how you can enable dark theme in your YouTube. So you can notice that my YouTube is under the right mode. So you want to enable dark mode. What you're supposed to do, just click your Gmail icon under the YouTube. So this Gmail icon, after clicking it, you'll be able to see the settings button, which either it is on your right hand side of your YouTube interface or in the left hand. So either right or left, just mine is on the right hand side, so just click it. Then what I'm supposed to do, I just need to click general option, then come to here we have appearance option, and then select dark theme. And you can notice that now dark theme have been applied in my YouTube, and my YouTube is now operating at a dark theme. You can see the beautiful dark theme here. So then this is basically what you usually do. There is nothing complicated, and that is the process. So basically, thank you for watching and God bless you.